In the equipment service business, having your maintenance, inventory, service, and accounting data in separate systems is costing you time and profits. How can you accurately determine what parts you have on hand and what your budget is when your staff spends their time manually putting together data from different places? Waiting until the end of the day for reconciliations won't cut it when you need insight in real time to service effectively, increase revenue, and stay competitive. ODT Service for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central gives your company an all-in-one solution that simplifies your service operations and gives your team the tools they need to do their jobs and improve performance. A centralized solution means no more switching between systems for a complete picture of your business, and no more operating from a rearview mirror. Stay on budget and protect your margins with real-time service information accessible anywhere. Track and access service costs live and see costs to actual on demand. See all your service work at a glance and view service history for all units with links to service tickets. Track planned maintenance to avoid costly ad hoc repairs so you can proactively manage your business. Extend your reach by connecting to the ODT Rentals app for even more visibility. Set up scheduled maintenance, perform return inspections, track equipment repair history, manage service budgets, and more with the easy-to-use and quick-to-deploy ODT service. Contact us for a personalized demo today.